Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, everyone. It is an honor to be presenter in the International Conference on Energy Storage Technology and Application 2021. And I'm Hima Sakareka Gustiana as a first author of this paper. And this paper title is Synthesis and Characterization of NMC Ek11 by Co-Precipitation. And this is what our research has been looking at. Okay, the background of this research is because the higher emission from fossil fuel vehicles lead to environmental problems. For this reason, it is necessary to develop electric vehicle to reduce emission. One of the most important part of an electric vehicle is the battery cell. The type of battery used for electric vehicle is lithium batteries. Why we choose lithium batteries? Because lithium-ion batteries have high value as secondary rechargeable. Batteries lithium have high energy density. Then lead acid batteries or nickel metal hydride batteries. So it is possible to make the battery size smaller than others while retaining the same storage capacity. In addition, lithium batteries have higher power densities. And then batteries lithium have three main components: separator, anode, and cathode. In the future, researchers will focus on the target generation of battery cathode materials, which will be applied in the automotive industry. Promising active material candidate for cathodes are nickel-rich layer or NMC. NMC has advantage in specific capacity and stability structure. Currently, there is a drive to reduce the amount of cobalt because it is the most expensive of the transition metals used while increasing the nickel content to achieve higher capacities. Some composition in the NMC cathode are 622 and 811. This study used NMC 811 because it has a larger capacities than 622. NMC 811 was synthesis using co-precipitation method because this process use low temperature and is easy to control particles so that the time used is shorter. In this study, the characterization of NMC 811 will be compared with the crop precipitation method using oxalate versus hydroxide. The research methodology used to prepare nickel, which is obtained from nickel chloride, and cobalt, obtained from cobalt sulfate, and mangan, obtained from manganese sulfate, with the ratio 0.8 mol, 0.1 mol, and 0.1 mol. After that, all this material were dissolved with distilled water and produce 1 molar of NMC 811 solution. We can see on the slide that the result of dissolving obtain a bright blue solution. The color of the solution indicates that it contains nickel, manganese, and cobalt. Precursor of NMC oxalate was prepared by mixing NMC 811 and oxalic acid as precipitating again and ammonium bicarbonate as chelating again for mix for 2 hours at 16 degrees Celsius and 4 hours for aging. while NMC hydroxide was prepared by mixing sodium hydroxide as precipitating agent and ammonia as gelating agent in the same condition with oxalic NMC oxalate. Then its solution was dry in the oven, and after that, the FTR analysis was carried out. The next process is material is mixed with lithium hydroxide with the ratio 1.1 1 to 1.5. After being mixed with lithium hydroxide, the two materials were calcined at 406 10 degrees for 6 hours in the furnace, and sintering process at 100 degrees Celsius for 15 hours under flowing oxygen. After that, XRD, FTIR, and SEM analysis were carried out. The cathode is prepared by coating the slurry onto an aluminum foil, followed by drying in the oven. After the electrode was completely dry, cells were assembled by filling electrolyte in the glove box and test in the battery analyzer. Okay, from the research that has been done, the following results were obtained. The first, the result of the XRD analysis. XRD analysis of NMC oxalate and NMC hydroxide compare with commercial NMC 811. The result of XRD analysis showed that the both oxalate and hydroxide NMC have identical peaks with commercial NMC 811. All samples have a hexagonal structure, which is classified as material in the R3M space group. And NMC oxalate and hydroxide successfully conducted with no secondary pass detected. So it can be concluded that the NMC material is free from impurities. Okay, from the analysis of the diffraction peak, it can be seen that the lattice parameter of each precursor, the ideal cubic closed pack lattice has a value of 4.899, and if the greater value of the C per A ratio, the more regular the structure will be, and the easier it is for lithium ion exchange to occur. And value of C per A of NMC commercial is 4.927, NMC oxalate is 4.892, and NMC hydroxide is 4.9. From this result, it can be concluded that the two samples of NMC 811 synthesized by co-precipitation have high layer material structure and easy lithium ion exchange properties. The next slide shows the result of the FTIR analysis to determine the bonding that occurs in the precursor and the product of NMC. The result shows that NMC oxalate precursor indicate have nitrogen bond to hydrogen and carbon with a double bond with oxygen, and oxygen bond to hydrogen, and carbon bond to hydrogens. And after calcination, the NMC oxalate product present carbon bond to hydrogen, oxygen bond to hydrogen, and carbon bond to oxygen. For NMC hydroxide, the precursor indicate oxygen bond to hydrogen and carbon bond to carbon, and the product after the calcination NMC hydroxide present of carbon bond to hydrogen, oxygen bond to hydrogen, and carbon bond to oxygen. It can be seen that the two products have the same constituent groups are carbon bond to hydrogen, oxygen bond to hydrogen, and carbon bond to oxygen group. Okay, and the bonding group on the material have been identified by FTIR analysis. Then the material is characterized by SAM analyzed to determine the shape and size of the constituent particle in NMC 811. SAM characterization use a magnification of 10,000 times on the sample. In the same analysis, two particles were obtained are primary particle and secondary particle. Primary particle are constituent particle with a small scale, while for a secondary particle with a large constituent scale. From the analysis, it can be seen that the shape of the NMC oxalate is slightly elongated, and the average size of particle of primary particle 0.6186 microns, and this is the secondary particle of NMC oxalate. And for the morphology of the NMC hydroxide, shows asymmetric spherical, and the average diameter size of secondary and primary particle you can see on the slide. The result shows the distance of primary particles are very close, which allows easier ion exchange and increased performance of lithium batteries. Okay, SRD, FTIR, and SAM characterization has been carried out for the NMC 811 product. Then the NMC 811 product has been tested on a lithium-ion battery through a charge discharge test. This charge discharge test use a rate of 0.1 coulomb. The result of the charge discharge test using a battery analyzer obtain a graph voltage versus specific capacity. And there are two graphic curve. The red curve is for NMC oxalate, and while the black curve indicates NMC hydroxide. When the curve show a significant upwards, the battery is charging. If the curve is significant downward, the battery is discharged. From the results indicate that NMC 811 oxalate has a higher battery capacity than NMC hydroxide. A good value of Coulombic efficiency If the value is above 80% and increase when charging quickly, can prove that the battery system is stable. Therefore, from the result of the Coulombic efficiency, it can be said that both samples have good system stability. In this study, NMC-811 was successfully synthesized using the co-precipitation method with oxalic acid and sodium hydroxide. XRD analysis results show that both NMC 811 oxalate and NMC 811 hydroxide have structural characteristic of layer material with a hexagonal shape that is identical to the structure in the R3M space group with good atomic arrangement. FTIR analysis shows the result of NMC oxalate and NMC hydroxide composed of carbon bond to hydrogen, oxygen bond to hydrogen, and carbon bond to oxygen functional groups. From same analysis, both samples NMC 811 oxalate and NMC 811 hydroxide have micron size but different morphological characters. The battery capacity of the NMC oxalate is 102 and the NMC hydroxide is 79 in the charge discharge battery test using battery analyzer. Okay, so that's all of my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.